Hi guys, welcome back to Urban Rhino Tutorials. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make some kids character button earrings. So I have several different little character buttons, animals. There's like superheroes, the princesses, ice cream cones. So I guess they aren't all characters, but themed type kids buttons, you could say. And as you can see, a whole bucket of them. I'm kind of obsessed with these. I think they're like the cutest thing ever. So stay tuned because I will be doing a few more tutorials showing how to use these as a keychain and how to make adult earrings. There are some like footballs and basketballs that I'm going to turn into some earrings as well in an upcoming tutorial. So for this particular one, I'm going to make some kids earrings, like I said. And I would say these would be good for probably 7 to 10 years old, somewhere around there. You could certainly do some kind of smaller ones with the clip-on attachments if you wanted, obviously if you have a younger child and she has her ears pierced, that's certainly fine. I would just be a little concerned with the weight of the earring. So keep that in mind because some of these are going to be bigger buttons. There are very many offered that are, let me see if I can get one here, that are a little smaller. So like this little smiley face daisy here. So that would be fine for a younger kid. So all we're gonna do, this is a very simple project. I'm gonna choose some of these and basically glue the stud onto the back, and that's it. I do wanna explain a couple things here. So I am someone who, I don't care if my earrings match as long as they go together. So for example, if you're looking at the fox here, so there's two that match, the little heads, or we've got two here that are different, but they go together. So I think those are perfectly fine to use together. The same with these cute, the little duckies with this one has the little rain boots, it's so cute. So we could use the two together or do them like this. We've got the two little puppies. Let me set the ducks to the side. Same thing, so totally up to you if you want them to match or not. I'm going to just show you on a few of these how to secure the back to them. And then you'll see in the upcoming image just how they look when they're all finished. So let's start with the little puppy dogs that are so cute. All I'm gonna do is turn it over, and some of these, not all of them, but most of them are gonna have a little loop on the back, which is how you would attach it if it's a button. So you need to trim that off. So you just take your wire cutters and you want them to be flush with the back and just cut off the backing like that and make sure that it's flat. So now I'm gonna choose my attachment. So if I want to make these, the little clip-ons, I could glue those on. These actually have like a peel-off backing, so they're sticky already, but I would secure them with some glue as well. You could either use like some E6000 or I'm gonna use a hot glue gun. I think that's just as easy. But for this particular one, I think I'm gonna go with the little rose gold. It's pretty cute. Actually, I wanna make sure that you don't see it from the front. So these are actually bezels where you would, fill it with resin or something like that. Whereas these are stud like posts, so they're flat. Either one will work, but because this is a bigger surface, you wanna make sure that you only would use these on bigger earrings. So like the cat, for example, because it's gonna cover it. You don't wanna see that showing through the front. So this one will be fine though on the back. So I'm just gonna get some glue, put some on here. Press this into place, and I might need a little bit more. Let me see. I need another glue stick. I think I didn't get enough glue there. So let's try that again. There we go. Again, because this is a bezel, it requires a little more glue because it's not completely flat. So you have to kind of fill up the the bezel part. And you just let it sit there and dry, very simple. And then you have a little cute earring. You obviously are gonna need an earring back. So I have these little clear rubber ones. So I'm gonna let these, cool down a little bit, and then I would put those on the back. We'll do the second puppy here. Again, trim off the back. And because these are different earrings, different, puppies on the front, I wanna make sure that I still put the post or the bezel, earring bezel, whichever one you're using, in the same spot. So I wouldn't want to all of a sudden move down, because otherwise when your child or whoever wears these, you're gonna have really crooked earrings. One that's gonna sit really high up on their ear and one that's gonna sit lower. So I wanna make sure I glue this in the same spot. So again, glue. This is about as simple as it gets, right? And put that into place. There we go. And we'll let that sit and dry. So I'm gonna go through and do the rest of these. Again, I have these smaller ones as well that I could use. Very simple, or I could peel the backing off of this. Let me show you with one of these. So let's pick, who do I wanna do for these? How about the cute little mermaids? So we'll trim the back. And now when you do this, you do still want to peel off the backing. If you don't and you just glue it, then you risk the backing just pulling away and it falling off. You wanna make sure that you put these on the right direction so it clips on to the child's ear the right way. And when I do the next tutorial and I show you how to make the earrings for adults, like the sports themed ones, you obviously could continue and use the studs just like this, but on that tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make like dangle earrings. So they'll be a little bit different. Okay, so we've got that on, and then you can see it opens like this. So it is now a clip-on in case they don't have their ears pierced, just like that. This is just so cute, aren't they? So like I said, I'll finish these. So in the next slide, you will see the finished product of some of these. And that is it for this tutorial. Make sure you stay tuned for the upcoming adult version of these, the dangle earrings. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.